channel. Today I am so excited to be filming this. I have been wanting to film this video for almost 3 weeks now. So today I picked up my Young Living ER order for May 2020, and this order took forever to come in. I don't know why. When I make a quick order with them, my order comes in so fast, like literally 2 days fast, and this one took over 2 weeks. So I called the post office because of course I was getting text updates, and I called the post office because in the text updates it said that it was at the post office. So I called them, I was like, can I just come by and pick that up? And they were like, okay. So that's what I did. If you are not familiar or you don't know, I am a Young Living member. I have only been a Young Living member for about 3 weeks now, probably. And it's the best thing that I've ever done. It's so fun. I'm so passionate about it. I'm learning so much, and I have joined such a great community from just joining Young Living. Once you buy a starter kit, you automatically become a member. You get in these Facebook groups, and it is so fun and just awesome, and I can't say enough good things about it. But what I want to get into is the ER order. So ER stands for Essential Rewards, and all it is a monthly reward system. So just like if you go to Ulta and you have a rewards card for Ulta and you get points back, same idea. Young Living does the same thing where you make a purchase every month, and it's like a customizable order, and you pick literally whatever you want in that order monthly. You're not getting the same things. If you want to get the same things, sure, go for it, but it's a customizable monthly order, and you get rewards and points back, which is awesome because I'm getting the things that I need in my home. It's not just oils. I'm getting cleaner, like household cleaners and cleaning products and food and makeup and oils and all the things that you would normally get at like Target or online or anything like that. You can get shipped right to your door every month. So it's amazing. If you're a Young Living member, why wouldn't you be on the ER? It just makes sense, okay? So getting into that, I'm so excited to open this up. At this point, I forget what I even ordered because I made this. I'm customized. You can customize your order whenever you want and add to it and change it and whatnot, and I do that all the time. So every Young Living order that you get the Essential Edge, which is like their little magazine. It says stuff about the CEO, and it has recipes and how to use certain products. So that's pretty cool. That comes in like every Young Living order that you make, not just the ER order, like anything. Okay, this is what I'm most excited for. So when you buy a starter kit with Young Living, you can get the ones with the diffusers, which obviously I did. But once I saw this diffuser, I fell in love. I was like, this is totally my aesthetic and the style of my house. So I got the Lantern diffuser. This is the white. It also comes in charcoal, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's like a chalky black kind of, or like a dark gray. But I got the white because if you know me, you know I like everything white in my home. It's so pretty! I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this. This is literally what I've been waiting for. So right now, the diffuser that I got was the Desert Mist diffuser. That's the one that I ordered in the starter kit. And I have it in our bedroom because I have like a cheapy Amazon one in our kitchen. One thing you have to be careful with though with diffusers is they are not like approved or certain grades. I don't know how to like exactly describe it, but they're not like approved or like certified, I guess. And when you are diffusing these really strong oils, like especially the Young Living ones, because they're so natural and so strong and potent, that when you diffuse in like a cheapy diffuser, it's basically not melting, obviously, because you're not burning anything, but I like to describe it in that way, that you're like melting the plastic into the air when you're diffusing, and obviously you don't want that. So the Young Living diffusers are certified, graded, approved, all that good stuff. So I know I don't have to worry about any of that. Same idea like when you microwave plastic, like they say don't microwave plastic, not only for the melting purposes, but you're like releasing all of those chemicals. Same exact idea when it comes to a diffuser. So I know that the Young Living ones are safe, so I just get them there. This one is so stinking cute. Totally my aesthetic. I'm so excited. So I'm going to be putting this one in our bedroom, and then the Desert Mist one that's in the bedroom now I will put down in our living room. I've had some people ask me like where you're supposed to put them, and it doesn't matter. There's no rules, no rhyme or reason. Do whatever you want. I like to have one in the bedroom so I can diffuse at night, and I like to have one in our main living space, and I also love to have one in the kitchen, like right next to the sink when I'm doing dishes or I'm cooking, especially when you're cooking. It can get a little funky smelling in the kitchen, or if the trash is bad, diffuse some lemon or citrus fresh. Ooh, so good. So eventually I will be replacing the one in the kitchen with probably this one, who knows, but we'll see. So the way that these work, you just lift off the top, and they're all pretty much the same. They just obviously look a little bit different. And then it has this little teardrop. You just plop that off, and then that's where you put your water and your oils. And then you just put this back on, twist it a little bit, and then your buttons are on the side here. And a little hack, if you didn't know, if you put your finger on the little cone, fill this with water. You can usually get about, I think it's like 2 of these, and that way it's an easy way to just like travel with your water, because you don't want to just like stick this part under the sink, because you don't want to like risk, I mean, you know what I mean. Thieves laundry soap, and we are so behind on laundry because like we ran out of laundry detergent, and Aunt's like, can we just buy more, like just to tie us over? I'm like, no, this package is coming soon. He's like, you've been saying that for 2 weeks. Like, he's backed up on laundry. I am. The sheets need to be done. We need to do a load of towels, whatnot. But I was like, nope, I'm waiting for the good stuff to come in. So this is obviously really tiny, but you can get like 3 bottles out of this. So the cap is really small. You only need 1 cap full for your entire load of laundry. And what I plan on doing, which I'm not going to yet until I probably get another one of these, so that way I have like 2 bottles, is most people dilute this with either 1/2 water, 1/2 laundry soap, or you can even do thirds. And that's probably what I'll do to just get the most out of it. And it's not like we're filthy animals. Like, we don't need it to be like super, super strong. So I'll probably use like this much laundry soap, fill it with water, and then if you have the Thieves cleaner, the household cleaner, you can do a capful or 2 of that as well. And that just helps give it like that strong clean. And you can also put an oil in here if you wanted to, like an oil of a smell that you like lemon or something like that. But for now, I'm just gonna do a really small capful until I get another one of these, and then that way it's easier to dilute. But definitely after this video, throwing in some laundry. Next thing that I got is actually a deodorant. So this is the Citrigard deodorant, and it's aluminum free, all natural. So you guys have probably heard of, what's it called, Native? I think it's Native deodorant, which is like all natural. I feel like I see that one all over YouTube, all over Instagram, and similar idea, but you have to be so careful. I mean, with everything, there's so many, like, if you look at the ingredients on the back of hand soap, detergent, perfume, deodorant, you name it, if it says fragrance / perfume or one or the other, whatever, not good. That is basically the umbrella term for over 3,000 chemicals. And then another really big chemical that I look out for is SLS, which is sodium lauryl sulfate. I think that's how you say it. I'll show you. It's like the second ingredient on the back of this. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. SLS, otherwise known as, and fragrance. Those are the 2 big ingredients that I look for and try to stray away from. There are obviously thousands more that you should stay away from that the US does not ban for whatever stupid reason. But SLS and fragrance are not good for you. They are hormone disruptors. So basically, like, if you have a child, and this is just one example, but if you were to have a child and it had some sort of like deformity or something, it could be from this. And we are just so used to it that we're like, nah, that's so stupid. Like, it's not gonna do that. But that could be the reason, or the reason that I'm getting headaches all the time could be from all the stuff that I'm putting in my bloodstream and in my body, and it causes cancer. And trust me, I'm the first person that has always said, like, nah, everything gives you cancer at this point. But it's crazy, because now that I've actually educated myself, I know why everything pretty much gives you cancer, because there are so many things made out of fragrance and SLS, and it blows my mind that the US allows it. But now that I went on a rant, one of the things I'm getting rid of is my Dove deodorant spray. I don't actually typically use this one. I typically use like the regular Dove stick or Secrets or one of them. But I was trying to like use up the ones that I had just laying around, because I knew that I'm ditching and switching, slowly making this progress of getting new things. every month, and so I wanted to use up what I had. So I have this deodorant, but my god, it smells so strong and I can't stand it. Like, I literally spray it under my arm and I'm like like suffocating. It's so strong. So this is one of the first things that I am ditching, so I'm going to throw this out. And I got the CitraGuard deodorant, and they come in different smells. They have one that's in the scent Valor, which is one of their most popular deodorants, or I'm sorry, one of their most popular oils, but it's brand new, so I didn't get that one. I got this one. So let me smell this with you, because I have heard that this isn't like the most favorited smell, but it was either this one or it was like an orangey one or something. I forget what the scent was, but I just preferred this one, I think. Oh, that smells fine. It's cracked a little. Oh, it's smooth. I was scared it was gonna be like really, really chalky, but it is not. Focus, please. Really, really smooth. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. There's a little crack, but who cares? Wow, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. It smells really nice. It's infused with lemon, thyme, and lemongrass essential oils. Aluminum-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free, all that good stuff. So I am definitely making the switch. Now, one thing, if you are looking to switch to all-natural deodorant, you do go through a little phase where probably for like a week, your body is detoxing, so you are gonna stank, but that's fine because it's worth it, because then after that, you are good to go. Now let's get into our oils. I didn't get too many oils this month, but I did get a few that I've really been wanting. If I can get them out. And also another hack, when you get Young Living oils, they always come in this like little tube. It's like this real thick cardboard tube, and these are really good if you have bonfires, which we do all the time. These are really good to fill with lint from like your dryer and use it as a little fire starter. All right, so first oil that I ordered is lemongrass, and this is a big boy. This is a 15 milliliter, and this one I heard is really, really good to diffuse in the morning. So I'm excited about that, to kind of just like wake you up. Let's smell. Holy crap. It smells kind of weird straight from the bottle, but I think diffused and mixed with some other things, it'll be really, really nice. It's definitely lemony and grassy. It's such an odd smell when you're smelling it from here, but I can tell that I won't need a lot of this, and this will be really, really good. I'm excited. I think you can actually use this one at night as well, and it's supposed to just like be really good mixed with other oils. So I don't know, give that one a try. I wanted to get a bottle of tangerine. I've heard this is another great one for the mornings. I can't wait to use this one. I think it's gonna be great. Oh, that smells so good. I did order one of these for my mom. Tangerine, super random, but tangerine's supposed to help with dizziness, and my mom used to, not so bad anymore, she still has dizzy spells, but before her heart attack, she had really, really bad vertigo. And this is supposed to help with that, where if you have really bad vertigo, all you have to do is just like smell it straight from the bottle, take a couple deep breaths in, and it's supposed to help with that dizziness. So I actually got her a bottle of this to give to her, and then I got one for myself, but I just got the Vitality one. Doesn't really matter, or maybe I'll give her the Vitality so that way she can mix it in her little drinks and stuff, because she always likes to make cocktails and everything, so I'll probably give her the Vitality one. And the Vitality just means that you can digest it, so you can put it under your tongue, you can put it in a veggie capsule, you can put it in your water, whatever. But just a little tip, if you decide to put any of the Vitality oils in your water, just do 1 drop, you don't need more than that. And make sure you're just diluting it with a lot of water, because they're so strong, so potent, and you don't want to like ingest something that your body can't handle. So make sure you're diluting it, and also random, but make sure you're drinking out of a glass bottle, not plastic. Same idea as what I said before. Peppermint, because I cannot get enough peppermint. I don't even remember actually putting this in my order, but I'm not mad about it, because this is my favorite oil of all time. I use this for literally all the things. I diffuse it, I put it on topically, I especially put it on the back of my neck when I have a headache, and it helps so much. Peppermint is without a doubt my favorite oil. The one that I got free this month is Longevity. So depending on how much you spend a month, how much your PV order is, which is like, I think it stands for personal, what is it? Point value. and whatever your PV is, depending on how much you spend, it like levels up and you can get free products. And if you spend 100 PV, that's when you start getting the free products. So I spent 100 PV this month, so I got a free longevity. You're supposed to really take this in like a veggie capsule. I don't have any of that. I don't know if I'm gonna actually do it that way. It's also a good one to diffuse. Smells pretty good. So I don't know exactly how I'm going to use it yet. I'm going to start with diffusing and then go from there, but I definitely need to learn more about longevity because I don't know all the benefits of it just yet. That is everything, guys. I am so excited for this order, and I'm going to go down and put this diffuser, set it all up, and put some laundry in. So I hope you guys liked this video. I will do one of these videos every single month when I get an ER order and then tell you guys what I got and explain how you can use it and all that good stuff. So if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And also, if you are interested in Young Living and you would like to buy a starter kit and get started in this non-toxic living, then send me a message on Instagram, send me a message on here, comment down below. I will also have a link in the description box where you can click that and it will bring you to Young Living's website and it will give you my member number and all that good stuff. But always ask me any questions that you may have on any of these products or the brand or anything like that. You get the point. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!